Why is the layout of a plant crucial to a manufacturing facility? It's simple. The layout of a plant is the blueprint that determines how work flows through your facility. It's the strategy that ensures your operations are efficient, your workers are safe, and your costs are minimized. Let's delve into the principles that guide effective plant layout. The first principle is accessibility. This means organizing workspaces and equipment so that they are easily accessible for workers and materials. For instance, if a worker needs to frequently move between two machines, placing them close together can save time and effort. Next, we have flexibility. A good plant layout should be able to adapt to changes in the manufacturing process or shifts in product demand. For example, if a sudden surge in demand for a certain product occurs, a flexible plant layout allows for quick adjustments to meet this demand without disrupting other operations. The third principle is space utilization. Every square foot of a manufacturing facility is valuable. Effective plant layout maximizes the use of available space, reducing unnecessary movement and congestion. Imagine a warehouse where the most frequently picked items are placed close to the dispatch area. This reduces the distance workers need to travel, improving efficiency. Safety is another key principle. A well-designed plant layout separates hazardous areas from high traffic zones and includes safety measures like clear evacuation routes and emergency equipment locations. Think of a chemical plant, where potentially dangerous substances are stored away from areas where the majority of workers operate. Now to the types of plant layout. There's the process layout, where similar activities or processes are grouped together. An example could be a furniture factory, where all the sawing, sanding, and painting tasks are grouped together, promoting flexibility, but potentially increasing material handling. Then we have the product layout, also known as the line layout. This layout arranges production processes in a linear sequence. It's like an assembly line, where each worker performs a specific task as the product passes by. The cellular layout is another type, where workstations are organized into self-contained groups. This encourages communication and cooperation among team members. For instance, in an electronics factory, teams could be responsible for assembling specific components of a device. Finally, there's the fixed position layout. This is where the product stays in one place, and all required resources and equipment are brought to it. A good example would be a shipyard, where the ship being built remains stationary, while workers and materials move around it. So, to wrap it up, the principles of plant layout, accessibility, flexibility, space utilization, and safety are the pillars that support an efficient, safe, and cost-effective manufacturing facility. Whether you're designing a new plant or refining an existing one, these principles can guide you to a layout that maximizes productivity, adapts to change, and safeguards your workforce. Remember, a well-designed plant layout isn't just about the here and now. It's about preparing your facility for the future. So, until next time, take these principles to heart and let them shape your facility's success.